everyone. Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm going to talk about a couple of my favorite subjects. I have for us biscuits and cinnamon rolls. I've opened the package to make it easy so that I don't look like a total doof on camera. The biscuits package opens pretty easy. You pull the little tab, you crack it, and it pops. You just put them out here like this. Preheat the oven. 325. And you put them in for about 10 minutes and then check them. Now I'm going to do both. This one's a little harder to get open. You may have to cut it a little bit with a knife to get it to pop, because in the end of it is the icing in a container. Of course you have to taste check it. Now usually the cinnamon rolls you cook a little hotter, but we're going to cook them all at the same time and just keep an eye on them. You have to watch these because it's real easy to burn these, real easy. Let's throw them in. Okay, they're all set. While that's going, I'm going to go eat some salsa and chips for a minute. The rolls and the biscuits are all done. I've stuck my finger in them to check them, to see and make sure. Now, we need to do a few things. For the dessert, we need to put the icing on. Make sure you make a mess with the icing, because that's how icing is. Of course, a restaurant, they would have this in a squirt bottle and they would squirt it and eat it. For me, I just spoon it out. You're cooking at home, just spoon it out. Get on there while they're hot. They just came out of the oven, so they're real hot. Your oven's going to vary. It could be 13, it could be 15 minutes. Better to go 13 minutes and then check them. So, icing is on the biscuits. Now, let's talk about these to go for our spaghetti dinner. I have garlic spread. Of course, you can put on as much as you want. In the event of television, I'll get backwards, huh? In the event of filming this, I'm just doing them really fast. Okay? This is going to be delicious. Make sure you stop back. See me soon. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you get to see all the videos in this. Click the bell so you get reminded. And all the ingredients in the list are at the website, jamestdds.blogspot.com. Thanks for stopping by. Goodbye for now.